Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I am Mrs. Gold, and this is a Golden Quickie. So we're going to bring you the results from the Grammys 2023 nominations who made it to Reggae category. But there were some favorites that were supposed to be in this category, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick flashback of those favorites.
The Calling by Kabaka Pyramid, Gifted by Coffee, Scorcha by Sean Paul, Third Time's the Charm by Protege, Come Fly With Me by Shaggy.
What do you guys think about the results? Leave the comments below and subscribe to our channel, Mr. and Mrs. Gold.